Hi everyone, hey, this is Earl Foote, founder and CEO of Nexus IT, coming to you from Nexus HQ here in downtown Salt Lake. I'm joined by one of our latest recruits, in addition to the team, Jordan Player, who's joined us as one of our business technology consultants. We've really enjoyed having Jordan join the team. So have our clients. We get lots of comments and feedback about just how expeditious and caring he is in the process of taking care of our clients. Jordan, welcome to the team. So happy to have you.
Thank you very much.
Do you want to tell everybody a little bit about yourself, your career, and maybe something out of the ordinary you wouldn't guess?
Well, I've been in the IT field for over 12 years, primarily working with teams just like Nexus here. Just love helping people, helping clients, and their business technology needs. Pretty standard. Earl, I am a big fan of video games, board games especially. Rock climbing when I get a little spicy, but so try to stick to the ground, get the most
Cool. The rock climbing is great. You know, the funny thing is a lot of people don't really guess or know, but a lot of avid gamers are old school tabletop gamers as well. It's kind of cool. It's kind of fun.
It's true.
Jordan, welcome to the team. So happy to have you.